If you are a Notion user, I've got something exciting for you today. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Muniana Badru, your go-to-tech survey virtual assistant, providing administrative and social media support to business owners and content creators globally in different time zones. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create custom Notion covers using Visme. And the best part about it, you don't have to be a design expert to make your Notion pages stunning. So get ready to take your Notion game to the next level.
When you log into your Visme workspace, click on Create New, choose Custom Size. You can change the background color. Go to Graphics. I'm going to add elements and images that express a travel workspace. Do not forget to give a title to your project. I'm using mostly my brand colors. You can also upload your brand colors into your Visme workspace. You can also add your brand fonts into your Visme workspace. doing some final touches, and when you are done with your design, you can now download it. I'm going to download as a PNG. Now head over to your Notion workspace, click on change cover, select upload file. You can reposition your cover, pixel position, and you're done.
And there you have it. Creating your custom Notion covers with Visme is an absolute game changer. If you have any questions or suggestions, comment down below. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to put a thumbs up. And if you're new here, kindly subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.